Hello everyone, today you are going to learn how to get organized for trading and how to set up your own trading journals. Lack of organization will cost you the most in the markets. It results in missed opportunities, risk management mistakes, and giving back way too much profit. So how do you fix this? You fix it by staying organized and making a schedule that you can easily stick to. This is crucial for those of you who are learning to trade while also having a full-time job. Let's start off with making some folders to stay organized, then move on to making a weekly plan. First, make sure you have an active Google account, then head on over to the Google Drive. Click on the New button and then click Folder. Let's name this folder Trading. This will be your master folder. Once done, open the folder and then make one folder for each of the markets you want to trade. So if you wanted to trade stocks, crypto, and options, you would make 3 folders. From here, open each folder and depending on how you want to plan to trade, make 1 to 3 folders. One for day, swing, and long positions. Now we are going to make a schedule and put that in the main folder. I have a free schedule that you guys can copy down below in the description. Simply click on the link and then once the schedule pops up, go to File and hit Make a Copy. I named my schedule, but you could change it to something else if you prefer. Now I really want you guys to think about how much time you can dedicate to learning how to invest. You should aim for at least 1 or 2 hours a day on the weekdays and at least 3 hours each day on the weekends. But you can always add or subtract time based on your own needs. Make sure you take into account what time the market opens in your time zone. For example, someone in Seattle or Los Angeles like myself can wake up early and trade since the market opens up at 6:30 a.m. Pacific time, a couple hours before the workday starts, while someone in New York or Miami might already be working at 9:30 a.m. when the market opens up on the East Coast. These schedules are never set in stone, so if life happens, which it so often does, feel free to adjust your hours. For now, this is how I want you guys to break down your schedule. This will change as you learn more about investing. Half of your weekday hours should be spent studying patterns and terms. The other half should be spent looking for charts that have those patterns and terms playing out. On the weekends, you should spend a third of your time studying patterns and terms, a third in Discord asking any questions you have related to investing, and the last third should be spent watching charts in real time while learning about indicators, real world exercises. Try and schedule that out when you can, and understand you will not be doing all of this just yet. Some of that comes in the next video. After you have completed your schedule, we are going to set up your trading journals. I have taken the liberty to make some for you for free to save you some time setting everything up. You can have up to 3 trading journals per a market, one each for day trading, swing trading, and long-term trading. If you scroll down in the description, you will see 3 links named after each style of trading. Like the schedule earlier, click on the link you want to use, hit File, and then Make a Copy and name the file after the style of trading. Make 3 copies if you are planning on trading in each of the 3 markets, and then drag the journal into the respective folders. If you are planning on learning how to day, swing, and long trade in each of the markets, your drive will look something like this. In the next video, we will go over patterns and how you can find them more easily. If you found this video helpful at all, please consider subscribing to the channel and telling your friends. Thank you for taking the time to learn how to invest like a professional. Have a great day.
Talk to me nice.